Yeah, thanks a lot, Karen, for having me. This is now my 37th and last earnings for SAP, and I'm really proud of our continued momentum. As you have rightfully noted, we have strong momentum in our cloud business, not only in how we closed the last year at a constant currency level. We had 24% growth in the cloud for the full year, which is obviously strong given the current macro environment. But more importantly, our forward-looking indicators, the current cloud backlog up 24% at constant currencies, the total cloud backlog, which is a multi-year figure, even up higher by 35%. All point into the right direction. The reason for that is relatively simple. We clearly have a portfolio around our core assets in ERP and supply chain management and the associated areas of procurement and HR, for example, that are really highly relevant in the current environment for companies that are looking to streamline their processes, automate further, gain efficiencies in the wake of inflation pressures, and of course also the growing volatility and uncertainty in the market. And so we are very confident about our ability to carry this momentum into the new year. You have seen our full year guidance for 2023, which points at the high end at 25% constant currency growth in the cloud. Of course, I will acknowledge that the environment is not getting easier in the short term. However, when you have a clear value case to make, customers are carefully vetting it and then buying into it. We actually just announced yesterday one of the largest cloud transactions of our history with the BMW Group, which is going to do exactly that, transform to S/4HANA, simplify along the way, and move our core SAP ERP estate that we have with them to the cloud. And this is very representative with the momentum that we are seeing.
Luka, I understand the argument there, as you point out, around supply chains. We know that is key, and also around workforce, given the amount of news flow around layoffs at this point and even at your own company. But is this a story where Europe is effectively playing catch up on digital, which is why the trends are so much stronger on this side of the world?
No, I wouldn't say that. I think the trends are meanwhile pervasive and globally the same. Europe actually over the course of the last few years had a strong surge in our business in the cloud, and that continues to move forward. What we are seeing now is that really the confidence level of companies to accelerate their move to the cloud, also for the core parts of their business, ERP at BMW being a case in point, has just strengthened. I think one element was the pandemic that has clearly made it abundantly clear to companies that they have to digitize their end-to-end operations. The other one is actually that meanwhile we have strong capabilities in the cloud, and you can run sophisticated end-to-end business processes in this model, which also is more agile as it provides you more access to ongoing innovation on a much faster pace than before. And that is the same whether you're talking Asia and the Americas or Europe, and we actually see that in our numbers.